Imagine waking up in the year 2050. The air in your room is perfectly filtered. The temperature is adjusted to your DNA's preference. You feel safe. You feel cared for. But look around. Nothing in this room belongs to you. Not the bed you sleep on, not the glass you drink from, not even the air you breathe. You are a guest in your own life. Everything you see is a temporary lease, a digital handshake that can be revoked in a heartbeat. The world outside is a masterpiece of engineering, but inside, it's just a subscription you can't afford to lose. And the city, it's alive, it watches. It's not just a camera, it's an AI oracle calculating your value with every blink. You thought privacy was a right? No. In 2050, privacy is a luxury that was long ago traded for convenience. Every step you take is a data point, and every data point has a price. You step outside. A pod car is already waiting for you. It knows your destination before you do. You sit inside, watching the rain slide down the glass. You don't own the car. You don't even have a driver's license. Why would you? Ownership is a liability. Repairs, taxes, insurance. The system took those burdens away from you. But along with those burdens, it took your freedom to choose. You can't tell this car to take the scenic route. You can't decide to go off-grid. The algorithm has calculated the most efficient path for your life. You are a passenger in every sense of the word. The global elite calls this the great simplification. They say that by owning nothing, you are finally free to be everything. They promised a world without waste, without hunger, without the messy complications of mine and thine. And on the surface, they delivered. But when your memories are stored on their servers and your identity is a string of glowing data points, where does you end and the system begin? Check your wrist. That red glow? It's the sound of your social standing crumbling. Your citizen score just dropped. Why? Maybe you didn't recycle that synthetic protein package. Maybe your heart rate increased during a government broadcast. Or maybe you just spent too much time talking to someone with a low-tier status. In the 20th century, if you were poor, you couldn't buy things. In 2050, if you are non-compliant, the world simply stops responding to you. You reach your destination, but the door doesn't open. The elevator won't move. Your smart fridge won't unlock. You are physically free, but digitally exiled. The system doesn't need to put you in a cage of iron. It has built a cage of code around your entire existence. They promised a utopia, and you have never been more comfortable. You have never been happier. But as you reach out to touch the sky, you feel the grid, the invisible ceiling, the boundary of your permitted reality. Is this the future we wanted? Or is it a digital prison we built brick by brick with every I agree button we clicked? 2050 is not a destination. It's a warning. Welcome to the AI Future Theory Global. The experiment has already begun.